Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to paste image in Word if you have already copied an image from a website or another document. So for example, I have this image on my desktop. So what you have to do is you need to press Ctrl plus C to copy it, or either you can right click and click on the copy. Go back to the your document. So click exactly where you want the image to appear in your Word document and then press Ctrl V on your keyboard. This is so simple and easy. So another way is that you need to copy that and right click and click on the paste options. Click on that and here it is. If the image file is saved on your hard drive, use the ribbon menu to look for it. For this you need to click the insert tab at the top of the window, click on the picture, click on this device and now browse your file, select the image, for example desktop, click over here and here it is. Moreover, if you want to resize it, you can drag the mouse towards the left side to resize it. And now click on this layout option and click on this square. And now you can move this picture to anywhere. So with these three easy ways, you can easily paste image in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.